हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 7th स्टैंडर्ड। ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं हिस्ट्री के 6th लेसन के, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद द मुगल्स। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग इट मैं अगेन आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि प्लीज़ आप मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, जिससे बहुत सारे बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, अरेंज इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। तो हमें इसे जो भी घटनाक्रम है उसके अनुसार इन्हें अरेंज करना है। तो हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया है, फर्स्ट सदर्न कैंपेन ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज, सेकंड है रेड ऑन लाल महल, थर्ड है एस्केप फ्रॉम आगरा, फोर्थ है कोरोनेशन, फिफ्थ है ट्रीटी ऑफ पुरंदर एंड सिक्स्थ है शाइस्ता खान्स इन्वेजन। तो हमें इन्हें क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में मतलब घटनाक्रम के अनुसार लगाना है। तो फर्स्ट आएगा आंसर में, फर्स्ट जो आएगा वो शाइस्ता खान्स इन्वेजन है, फिर सेकंड है रेड ऑन लाल महल, फिर थर्ड है ट्रीटी ऑफ पुरंदर, फोर्थ है एस्केप फ्रॉम आगरा, फिफ्थ है कोरोनेशन और सिक्स्थ है सदर्न कैंपेन ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज। सो आप आंसर लिखते वक्त इन्हें इस तरह लिख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द नेम्स फ्रॉम द चैप्टर। अ डिक्शनरी कंटेनिंग संस्कृत वर्ड्स। डिक्शनरी जिसमें संस्कृत वर्ड्स कंटेन है तो वह है राज्य व्यवहार कोश। नेक्स्ट है, ही वन त्रिम्बकगढ़। तो त्रिम्बकगढ़ किसने जीता था? मोरोपंत पिंगले। थर्ड है, दिस सरदार वॉज डिफीटेड एट वनी दिंडोरी। वो है दाऊद खान। नेक्स्ट है, अ प्लेस वेयर द ब्रिटिश, डच एंड फ्रेंच हैड देयर फैक्ट्रीज। आंसर इज सूरत। Now question, write about these in your own words. First, the coronation of शिवाजी महाराज। इसमें हमें अपने ओन वर्ड्स में लिखना है। तो आंसर है, शिवाजी महाराज रियलाइज दैट इट वॉज नेसेसरी फॉर द स्वराज टू विन जनरल recognition as a formal coronation was necessary. On 6th June 1674, he had himself coronated at Raigad by Gagha Bhatt, a learned Pandit. As a sovereignty, the Rajyabhishek Shak was started. On this occasion, special coins were minted, a gold coin called Hon and a copper coin called Shivrai, with the legend Shri Raj Shiva Chhatrapati inscribed on them. On 24th September 1674, Shivaji Maharaj had his second coronation performed under the guidance of Nishchalpuri Gosavi. There were two traditions of religious ceremonies in India, Vedic and Tantric. Maharaj honored both the traditions and had two coronation ceremonies performed. Next, escape from Agra. When Shivaji Maharaj reached Agra, Aurangzeb did not treat him with due honor. At his court, Maharaj went to his raid. The emperor then put him under house arrest. Undeterred by this action of the emperor, Maharaj devised a plan of escaping from this house arrest. He adroitly escaped from Agra and reached Maharashtra safely after a few days. He reached Raigad. While returning from Agra, he had left Sambhaji Raje at Mathura. Later, Prince Sambhaji was brought safely to Raigad. Next is Shivaji Maharaj's campaign of South. 3 years after the coronation, in October 1677, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook a campaign of the south. He went to Golconda. There he called on the Qutub Shah. He entered into a treaty of friendship with him. Later Maharaj won Bangalore, Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji, Vellore, etc., forts in today's Tamil Nadu and some other territories of Adil Shah. He appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanmante, the chief administrator, to look after these conquered territories. Vyankoji, the half-brother of Shivaji Maharaj, was then ruling at Tanjavur. Shivaji Maharaj tried to get him to participate in the activities of the Swaraj. Next, Shivaji Maharaja's preparation for the coronation. For coronation, an extremely valuable and grand throne was made for the coronation of Shivaji Maharaj. There were 8 bejeweled pillars on 8 sides of the throne. This throne, made of 32 mun of gold, had been studded with precious jewels. Question 4. Give reasons. Shivaji Maharaj entered into the Treaty of Purandar. Answer. The huge army of Diler Khan had ravaged the territory of Swaraj. Murarbaji Deshpande died a hero's death while defending Purandar. His subjects suffered great losses due to conflict with the Mughals. Considering the seriousness the situation, Shivaji Maharaj entered into the Treaty of Purandar. Next question. Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughals. Answer. Shivaji Maharaj took an aggressive stand against the Mughals because he wanted to recapture the forts and territories given to the Mughals as per the Treaty of Purandar. He wanted to destabilize the Mughals' rules in the Deccan by invading the territories under their control. So these are the question answers.